Hi there. In this video I will be making a large letter M using my homemade CNC router and by laminating 6mm plywood. I am using sheets of A3 size 6mm birch laser safe plywood. Cutting out the first large M using my homemade CNC router. It starts by drilling 4 alignment holes. And continues to cut the outside of the M. It's cutting all the way through, 6mm deep and at a speed of 300mm a minute. It takes just over 11 minutes to cut out one letter M. This is the first completed letter. I've added a keyhole to hang the finished letter on a wall. And on another letter, a relief for the screw head to sit in. I made 6 in total, which will give a finished thickness of 36mm. All of the tabs need to be cut with a hacksaw to release the letters. Each one gets a sand down and the remaining parts of the tabs removed. I cut 4 lengths of 6mm diameter dowel for alignment. Wood glue required. Each letter received an overly generous application of glue. And the 4 alignment dowels were inserted into their holes. Clamps were added to hold it all together. The surplus glue now began to put in an appearance. Some time later, the clamps were removed. Much sanding was needed. And the large letter M was soon finished. I put the pen back on my CNC machine and drew a wall drilling template. the wall mounting holes demonstrated with a screw. If you've made it this far, well done. Please like and subscribe, or have a look at my website for further information on this and other projects, and I will catch you in my next video.